Hey guys, Josh here. Today we are bypassing the transmission cooler that I recently ripped off my truck because I swapped the NV4500 into it. So this cooler, I just ran a piece of hose between the two barbs because obviously on the cooler, I have it sitting right here to show you guys. I didn't show ripping it off. It comes out of a barb, goes into here, comes out of here and goes into another barb. So we'll get to showing you that on the truck of where those barbs are. I just have a piece of hose looped in it for now and it just rubs on the alternator and stuff. I was waiting for some special caps to come in. You could cap this off if you remove those barbs from the block. You could put brass plugs in there, but once you see the location of these guys, you're gonna realize that you don't want to do that and you're gonna just be putting these rubber caps on. They sell them. I hope they're good. I hope they stay on. I can't see why they won't. We're gonna put some nice hose clamps on them. So yeah, let's get going and do this. And for those of you that are worried about that being a loop, that loop is not there on manual trucks. It is just there for the automatic transmission to heat it up or and cool it. So yeah, it's not going to hurt anything by capping that off. You don't need that to flow to cool your truck down. Alright guys, so that loop that we put in, it's in behind here, right there. You see the hose clamp there? That's how tight it is to get to there. Anyways, it runs down behind your alternator here. I just ran a loop here. As you can see, it's pinched. Then it goes back into your fitting over here. So to get to that easier, take a 5/16 and pull off this air filter and we'll get to capping these off. Once you have this pinched off here, I'm gonna actually cut this zip tie that I have on here so we can pull the line out of the way. I got the clamp off. It's really tight in here, so it's my best view, but just remember that this coolant's going to be hot. I got gloves on. It depends when you're doing it, but in my case it's going to be a bit warm here. So get your drain pan underneath there, pull it off, slide that on. See what we can do here. All right, so we're on there. Fits nicely. Now you can take your hose clamp and your nut driver or whatever and get that on there. All right guys, so as you can see there, it's capped off there. Seems to work really nice. The other one in here that you can barely see, you can see the hose clamp there. That's capped off also. So I think that's about it. That is how to bypass a transmission cooler on these 94-02 trucks. I recommend it and not leaving it. If you do swap your transmission and have them just cut off, it saves a lot of weight, man. That thing weighs a few pounds. I bet it weighs 10 pounds at least. Not that that's what you're looking for, but anything helps. And they rust out and you get a coolant leak. I've heard a couple of my buddies, actually theirs rusted out and it started leaking coolant. So you want to get that off there before you have problems down the road. That's what we're all about here at the channel, is preventing breakdowns and maintaining stuff.
As always guys, thanks for watching and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.